Hi and welcome to my channel. If you are new, please consider to subscribe. Today's topic and the very first episode of this mini-series inside the banknotes secrets is commemorative banknotes. Today we are going to learn and discuss almost everything that we know about commemorative banknotes. Number 1. What are commemorative banknotes? To understand better the term commemorative banknotes, first of all, we have to know what actually mean commemorative. Commemorative is the term that stands for acting as a memorial of an event or a person. Now, let's get back to banknotes. Several countries have issued commemorative banknotes to mark some particular event, to call to remembrance historical events or modern events that will never be forgotten, and to keep them alive day by day. Those events are remembered through banknotes, coins, stamps and other collectible items. So, the first banknote that is coming into my mind, commemorative one, is 20 lei Romanian with the first human on a banknote. From the same country, we can find another commemorative banknote marking the Millennium Total Lunar Eclipse that occurred in 1999. Another reason why this banknote is very important for Romania and Europe, this banknote, it was the first polymer banknote that was issued in Europe. Besides of that, many countries issued commemorative banknotes. Here are some that I own in my collection and I will present for you. They are from Scotland, South Africa, Sri Lanka, Mexico, Thailand, Canada, China, and other countries. Additionally to this video will be another video where I present and explain all the commemorative banknotes that I have in my collection. Number 2. Are commemorative banknotes legal tender? Well, commemorative banknotes are mainly two types: legal tender and not legal tender. Let's talk about the legal tender ones. Sometimes currency issues such as commemorative coins or transfer bills may be issued that are not intended for public circulation. However, those notes are completely legal tender. As an example of such currency is this banknote of 100 lei Romania. It's still a legal tender, so I can go in Romania and make shopping with it, but in reality on collector market the value is high bigger than 17 pounds or 20 euro as a face value. Here are some examples of commemorative banknotes that are issued by different countries' banks that can be bought from the banks or third-party dealers for collector only. All are legal tender but much more valuable than the face value. On the other hand, some currency issuers, particularly the Scottish banks, issue special commemorative banknotes which are intended for ordinary circulation in parallel with non-commemorative bills. Here are some examples of this type of banknotes from multiple countries. Now, let's move on to the non-legal tender commemorative banknotes. Those types of banknotes could be issued by banks of any countries in the world or private issuers like Thomas de la Rue or Franklin Mint. Those banknotes are also called fantasy notes. Those can be a new design of a banknote or an official reproduction of an old banknote that is very expensive, like this 20 lei Romania. This is a fantasy note issued by Romanian bank to commemorate 100 years from the first leu. We will talk more about fantasy notes in the next episode of this channel. Let's get back to commemorative banknotes now. Number 3. Which country issued the first commemorative banknote in the world? Well, this is hard to establish. Nobody knows exactly when the very first one was issued, but I come now with the very first that I was able to track in the World Paper Money catalog. Here they are. The first official commemorative banknote in the world, as far as I know from my researches, is the 1988 $10 Australia. This banknote commemorates Australia's bicentennial year and also is the first polymer banknote in the world that was issued and the very first official commemorative one. Many rumors says in Europe the first commemorative banknote was issued by Royal Bank of Scotland in 1992 commemorating the European Summit on Edinburgh. I'm sure that is correct partially. Is the first Britain commemorative banknote, but in Europe I found many others commemorative. In my opinion, it's extremely hard to decide or to track the very first commemorative banknote that was ever issued. If you have knowledge about the very first commemorative banknote, please share with us in a comment below. Number 4 is worth collecting commemorative banknotes. Well, this is up to any collector to decide. There are a lot of collectors that collect only commemorative banknotes as a thematic and nothing else. I can't tell to nobody what is worth collecting or not, but I can say that they will surge in price yearly more faster than normal circulation banknotes as they are made in very limited mintage. Thanks for watching, and if you found those informations useful, please consider to subscribe. I will see you again in the next episode.